वेलकम टू JBG। तो आज हमारे पास वोल्वो ट्रक है FMX 400 और ये मेरे दोस्त है मिस्टर अवादी। अवादी, हाउ यू?
आई एम गुड।
तो आज अवादी आपको बताएंगे कि एक ट्रक का मेजर सर्विस किस तरीके से होता है। तो चलिए आइए हम लोग देखते हैं। अवादी, यू नीड टू शो देम दिस ट्रक मेजर सर्विस। ओके ओके, गुड लक।
Guys, you are going to do service FMX 400 today, and first of all, drain oil through the drainage cock, which you are going to do before doing anything else. So we need to open this drainage cock to drain all the old oil, engine oil. It's going to take a little more while time while the oil is draining. So you just need to be patient a little bit. The oil is clear. We need now to put back the cock and we continue with removing the filters. This side is the oil filter, 2 primary and 1 bypass, and you just need to remove all of them. They are containing oil. So we'll start one by one removing the oil filters. Okay, as you can see now, we have already removed the oil filters. We are continuing with removing the fuel filters. On the fuel filters, first you disconnect this electric wire. We've already removed the fuel filters. We are drain oil and the oil filter. We are embarking on removing the air filter, which is on the other side of the upper side of the truck. This one is the air filter. We need to open these 4 bolts and check the air filter, how it is. If it is the duration of already expired, we need to change it. If according to the service it's not the duration not expired, we still just clean it and put it back. All the bolts, the 4 bolts. As you can see, the filter is for month of August 2025. So we just need to remove it and clean it and fix it back. Okay, as you can see guys, we need to remove we need to put pressure to remove the dust inside the air filter. And this one is the pressure is supposed to be supplied inside so that the dust can be removed out with too much pressure so that the filter can be clean. Okay, we can proceed. Okay guys, you can see how now it is light. Before it was very heavy with too much dust, and now it is light and properly clean, properly air pressured. Now it's supposed to be replaced back because the duration has not expired. Okay, we are putting back the filter to its original place. Put back the cover. Now we have already cleaned this water separator. We need to fix new O-ring with new water separator with the electric gadget after we fix again with fuel. We are fixing back the water separator. This one, make sure these filters are new because we have removed the old one. This only you need to tight with hand is enough. Don't need to tight with the filter wrench. And this one you need to tight with spanner, properly tight and to the correct. Now we are going to fit the fuel oil filters back. Make sure the O-ring is correct so that it cannot make any leakage. And this one only need to be tightened with hand. No need tightening with filter wrench. You can tight 25 Newton meters. And we are going to the third one, which is the last. This one you have already correct. Tighten these 3 filters to the correct specification. And fuel filter already touched. As you can see now we are done backside, downside. We are going on the top of the engine to put engine oil. So we are moving to the other side. You open this cap This is the oil pipe in which we are using to put the oil to the engine. The amount of engine required in this Volvo FMX is 38 liters. So make sure when you are putting, when is the amount of liters going here, according to the reading is 38. Then after that you check with the dipstick if the measurement is correct. Now we can see the engine oil is up to the correct level of 38. If you check, it is 38 liters already going inside. So as for now, we'll stop here. Guys, as you can see now, we have completed the service. When you are doing service, in the next prayer service, you are supposed to add 600, according to when you are following hours, you are supposed to add 600 hours in the next service. And when you are following kilometers, you are supposed to add 8,000 kilometers in the next service when you are doing service according to Volvo. So I think now we have completed service. Now we just need to be careful. When you have finished service, you need to check any leakage from the oil, water, or anything in the truck. Like karo, share karo, subscribe karo. Thank you guys.